Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Make sure BIOS virtualization is enabled and you have the VMware installer plus the guest ISO ready. Next, create a dedicated folder for VMs and decide resource allocations. Pick CPU cores, 8 GB RAM, and at least 20 GB disk. While downloading, run the installer as administrator and accept network and driver prompts. This speeds later device pass-through. Once done, launch VMware and choose Create New Virtual Machine to start the real setup. You now configure the VM. Pick Custom if you need UEFI, SCSI, or specific virtual hardware. Typical is faster for defaults. Attach the ISO as the boot media and set the virtual disk to pre-allocate for performance or growable for space savings. Configure the network adapter as NAT for simple internet or bridged for LAN visibility. Adjust peripherals. Enable 3D acceleration for GUI guests. Add USB controller or virtual TPM if the OS requires secure boot. Then power on to begin OS installation. You finish by installing VMware tools to gain drivers, shared folders, clipboard, and proper time synchronization. This is essential for a stable VM. After clean installation, take a snapshot so you can roll back before major changes. Then optimize CPUs, RAM, and disk mode for steady performance. If something goes wrong, say networking or display glitches, first reboot the VM, then verify host services, firewall rules, and adapter bindings. For driver issues, reinstall VMware tools. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.